Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through how to smoke burgers on the Traeger Pellet grill, and these are homemade burgers. I'm going to show you how to make here, but actually you could also use store-bought burgers too. So the first thing that you want to do to make smoked burgers, now this is a low and slow recipe. They come out really smoky and delicious. Just wanted to clear that up. So anyways, you get some ground beef, ideally 80-20 blend, and you mix those into 4 patties. Here you see that we use a scale to measure the patties because my husband was very nutso about being orderly and getting them all exactly even. You could also just take a knife to the package and cut them in half so you know that you're getting 8-ounce burgers, which are half-pound burgers. But anyways, that's important for the smoke time for these smoky burgers on the barbecue pellet grill, because what you do is you place them directly on the grill grates. Now you could have mixed in the salt and pepper seasoning on the burgers with the meat, but a lot of times we actually like to sprinkle it on the outside just like the burger was a steak or something. All right, so you're gonna smoke these for about 60 minutes, and you should flip the burgers at the 30-minute mark, so halfway through that. And then this is a good time after that 60 minutes of smoking burgers on the Traeger. You go ahead and take the temperature. Usually it should be about 145 degrees, 140 degrees, so you can prep any of your buns and cheese, and about 5 degrees before the burgers are done to your liking is a good time to add the cheese and the buns to the grill. So we just put the cheese directly on. We used cheddar cheese for this recipe, and it was really good and picked up such a delicious smoky flavor in the pellet grill with hickory chips.
They're ready. Oh my God.
All right, so you want to just keep on checking the burgers. Usually after you add the cheese, which we did at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, then it took about another 15 to 20 minutes with the cheese on top for them to finish on the grill. So just check the buns periodically and pull them off if they look toasted to your liking. We did not butter them, but you always could. So then you can go ahead, and when your burgers reach the desired temperature, we aimed for about 145 degrees, accidentally took them off closer to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, but we were going for medium burgers, and they were just so freaking delicious. So you just continue smoking burgers until they're done. And I have a chart at Sip Bite to Go that has, all the burger temperatures for you. And also you can print out this full recipe for smoking burgers on the Traeger at Sip Bite to Go. I have a lot more tips there as well. So we top them with our favorite condiments. I like avocado on mine, the burger with cheese, so the smoked hamburger. Then the pickles, always deli style pickles are the best for me, not like the fresh herby tasting ones. Then I did some thinly sliced onion, some lettuce, kind of McDonald's style, and some ketchup on top. And it was really good on the smoky bun. I wouldn't say the bun was tasted super smoky, but the cheese really did. And then this is my husband's burger. He likes tomato, the smoked burger patty, barbecue sauce, thinly sliced onions, lettuce, and I guess that's it. So anyways, this is our medium to medium rare. It's actually more medium burger. They were so delicious, so tender, so juicy. I'm really excited for you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!